I really like the effort that he's trying there to generate.
Hits the post. Puts one on. Score! He got iron with that shot.
Always interesting, guys, after the first goal is scored, whether the team that scored is going to continue to attack or whether they'll sit back a little bit.
Some shots, only one goal.
A lot of opportunities. Love the mindset of getting pucks and people to the net.
They've got the draw. Steps in from the neutral zone. Turned on net. He scores!
Always better to play from in front than to chase the game. There's the game's first goal.
That is the first goal scored after a lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
Quick wrister. Just missed the net with that one.
From that position on the ice, he's...
Score! And so the celebrating comes early for the first goal.
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up one, go make it two.
Burlington's ahead by one goal here in the first period. A lot of time still left to play, but getting one and breaking the tie was...
He got the message. That early hit sets the tone for his team.
Lets it go. They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
Well, they jumped up on the bench beside me pretty quickly here. Very excited on the one side to have the game's first goal.
California's gotten the crowd into it early.
And rightfully so. The energy they played with has been terrific.